Storyboard and add content blocks. Select Q&A and select your presenter. You can customize some options, then click Add Storyboard. Play the QA block. The Questions tab is now visible. You have 3 sub-tabs, All, Starred, and Open. Now let's post the question as an attendee. Now as a host or presenter, you can manage the questions accordingly by sub-tabs. You can set the question as answered, mark as favorite, or even hide the question. Alright, that's how easy you can add the Q&A and manage the questions.